Now kids, let's do the next chapter, that is words with CH and TH sound. First of all, let's understand CH sound. Read the words aloud. Chair, lunch, stretch, watch, cheese, watch, chase, catch, such, bunch, chocolate, catch, bunch, chickens, match, such, chocolate, batch, children. Here are more words. Rich, chain, cherry, chant, peach. Rich, ditch, hitch, bitch. Chain, child, chick, check. Cherry, chest, bench, chap. Chant, change, chance, chef. Peach, beach, reach, teach. Now, let's understand the next sound, TH. Read the words aloud. Bath, earth, feather, tree, then, three, then, they, thumb. Father, mother, brother. Thin, that, thick. Thursday, with, teeth. More words are the, this, thus, throw. Thread, thorn, thirst, thief. Third, thrill, throat, bath. Path, cloth, froth, north. So kids, do you understand the TH and CH sounds? Very good. Now let's join the pictures to the words given below. Here is thumb, match it with thumb. Earth, here is the globe of earth, so match with it. Feather, here is the feather. Chair, here is the chair, match with it. Chocolate, here is chocolate, and here is watch. Match with the pictures. Filling the blanks with CH or TH. First one is bath. So you will write TH. Next is 3. Peach, chicken,